Hello, ma'am. So, thank you so much for spending your 2 days with us. So, to begin with, please introduce yourself, your name, the business you run, and roughly the size or scale of your operation.
Hi, my name is Shilpi, and I've been running a marketing communications firm since last 10 years. Very recently, we started a B2B focused division called Elevate. Elevate, where it's spelled out as VAIT, where AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, of course. That's the center of everything that we're doing. Because the idea is to use AI and scale operations in the most efficient manner. That is why I'm here attending this workshop.
Okay. So, before this workshop, what was not using AI costing you, like time wasted or opportunities missed or that feeling of falling behind? And honestly, did you feel too non-technical for this?
So being a marketing communications firm, we have been using AI in bits and pieces. I wouldn't say we have not been using AI for content, for design, and some of the operations. But I also realized the more we used AI, the more we needed to learn how to use AI better, because a lot of automations are possible with AI. And we did realize that, and in fact looked at other courses, also done some other courses also to learn better. But I think the 2 days program here was really wonderful in terms of actually learning how to implement it, for real business case scenarios. That understanding and that confidence that I have after attending this 2 days course didn't come from earlier courses. So that was really wonderful.
Okay. So, we are in the final hour of a workshop. Please show us or tell us one thing that you have built with your own hands, something you could have not done before this workshop 2 days ago.
Yeah, I think, like I said, quite a few, actually 2-3 things, because there were a lot of case scenarios in my mind as a business owner. So there were 2-3 things where I learned to use Claude better and automate with Claude better, like connect Claude with my Drive or Gmail or different other sort of plugins to automate certain functions. So that is one thing that I could do better. And also, while I had used created custom GPT earlier, but just the use case scenarios, different other use case scenario, real time building it here was very, very useful. So yeah.
Okay. So, what will you implement first thing on a Monday morning when you go back?
I think I'm going to implement the automated mail function using Claude. There's sort of an industry audit analysis that we learned here, automating that and sending it to my internal team members to start with. That is something that I'm going to use first.
Okay, great. So you could have watched YouTube videos for free, or there are so many webinars or other workshops that are happening around AI too. What makes this workshop different, and something Ritesh said or showed that no other video or webinar could have?
I think I've already answered that question. I've done AI courses earlier. While there was, I did understand that there is a lot of scope, but actually implementing it for real business scenarios, that is something that hadn't happened before. So because they worked with us, each of us business owners individually, to sort of help us implement those tools properly, that was very, very helpful and useful. So yeah.
Okay. So finally, please look straight into the camera to the owner thinking the workshop is too technical or too expensive or not relevant to their industry. What is your suggestion to them?
My suggestion would be do it and you'll realize what you'll gain in your business. Definitely, it's worth your time. Spend your 2 days for sure.
Thank you so much. Your
All right.
experience will definitely help other business owners.